everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your games and your trophy information to your PlayStation account so you can access this anywhere and look at it. So if it's a little bit different or it's off or it's causing you errors, let's go to settings and then scroll on down and go to save data in game app settings. Scroll on down under this list until we get to game status. And then we have this one option, sync with PlayStation Network. Sync your game status and trophies with PlayStation Network. So it's very simple. All you have to do is select this, and then it's going to go ahead and start to sync. And then when you go back to your game information, it should be the same across all PlayStation Network now. So you can look at your games, you can look at your trophies, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.